you know, the most significant cook that I have is always,
yourself, yeah.
it's always the one I like to win. I always say it's the one I win grand champion. I don't know if I'm going to win it, but that was my favorite cook if I win. If I don't win, it wasn't that good. But no, on serious note, I think there's nothing better in this world that I love to do more than cook for family. I love to bring home, I love to cook on my, you know, like my kids come over. You know, I got a son in college. I have my daughter that's so busy. We're so busy lives that on Saturdays or Sundays, if we can all get together and just throw down some, you know, some meat on the grill and just barbecue, or just going home for the holidays and barbecue, or not even barbecue, just cooking in general. That's the most significant cook, is that we can get together, because that means love, you know. So yeah.
Like one particular significant cook that I had was with this gentleman right here at the Houston World Championship Barbecue. The synergy that him and I had together, and with Matt Barber, cooking next to Iowa Smoky D's, Darren Worth, and Cool Smoke Tuffy Stone. We were right in the middle. Two of the greatest of all time.
Yeah, but don't sell yourself short, you know.
Thank you. But these guys have been around a long time and have a lot of, you know, notches underneath their belt, as you could say. But no, you're right. You know, we put a team together, and we did, man, I just get tickled just thinking about it. We kicked ass. And
we did good.
We did good.